How you doing, everyone? This is JT with RIVA Motorsports Marina of the Keys. Today, we're going to be talking on that 2025 Yamaha SX250. And as we all love, Yamaha does have that famous swim platform. You'll have your lower deck and your upper deck. Just like a lot of auto manufacturers, you'll have a lot of accessories with this boat. For example, the slide-in seat or table positions. As we move up, of course, we're gonna have those cup holders when you guys are sitting at the sandbar. You do have those slot inserts where you can insert a lot of accessories, including a grill. You have your flush ports. This is a dual engine boat on the 250s. And as we move up here, we'll look at it in a little bit. This is actually your clean out. And there is a kill switch in there for a little bit safer rides. And that other feature that you're gonna see on your swim platforms, other than your two speakers that are opposing outward when you guys are enjoying the sandbar, you do have an external audio system control. So you guys actually can switch those songs when you're in the water, having a few drinks, but also eating some food. Now let's climb inside and see where all the happiness is going on. Now with your jet propulsion engines, you will have a clean out port. Now this one's really easy access and additional safety. When you guys do reach in there to clean out, there's a lot of stuff going on. So if you forget to turn off the engine, which you always should before you start opening this hatch does have a kill switch. To open the hatch, you're gonna have two switches. I already popped that one up. As you can see, I'm gonna pop this one, lift and turn. As we lift, you're gonna see two portholes, if you will. That's where you'll actually reach down and clean out the seaweed. Very short distances, you don't have to put the whole arm in there. Now let's climb inside and start walking through the interior of this 250. Now, as we climb on this SX250, as you guys can see, this is a 25-foot boat with an 8-foot 6-inch beam. Lots of space to entertain or just have a lot of personal space for you and a loved one. Lots of seating in the back here. Very comfortable with your storage, of course, on both sides. Your backrest here, not only does it face outward towards the sandbar days, but it also will face inward when you guys are underway. In this boat, instead of a few other Yamaha jet boats, you're actually gonna have two captain seats, not just one for your helm. As we move toward the bow, as you guys can see, we have a lot of space, and we'll do a close-up here. This boat does have a C-deck clip-down system. You can actually see these little button snaps within the boat. What that does, you can obviously have a clean deck, easier to clean, but if you guys want a little bit more comfortable on those bare feet days, you can clip it down, have a nice, comfortable, and stylish looking boat, which will match the gray color here. And now we're gonna get a little bit closer to this helm section on this SX250. Now looking at that helm section, you guys are gonna see it's actually pretty much an open floor plan to design how you guys want, or we can go with what we have. You do have that Connect Yamaha gauge, which will control the engines and obviously show all the data of the engines. You do have that wireless phone charger as well, and it's a holder. You actually have a volume control for your stereo, and this actually has a cruise no wake mode. So when you guys are in those no wake areas, instead of just playing with the throttle constantly, you just hit a button, it'll cruise and not cause that wake, so we're not getting in trouble. This again is a twin engine boat, so you will actually have twin keys for this boat for start up and shut down. Your throttle controls are very common, just like your outboard boats, but the inboard boats, forward is forward, reverse is reverse. Again, with these captain seats, you'll actually have double armrests, and it can double as a lean post as we stand here. Or you guys can flip it down and have a nice seating section. As you're seating or standing up, we always love to have that adjustable steering wheel as well for the taller guys or the shorter guys out there. As we move on over here, you guys will have a storage space on this boat. They always try to maximize the storage. And an added bonus, once you twist this lever, lots of storage space, but this can double as a porta potty or a head system. You can put the porta potty on that upper lip there. You do have a table for this boat to be added to the bow area. Now, as we move to the bow section, again, being a 25-foot boat, you guys are gonna have a lot of space. You do have two speakers up here with, of course, the lounge upholstery that wraps around so you're not hitting your side on the fiberglass. These do have storage as well. They actually flip up an equivalent on your starboard side. Your anchor locker is not just an anchor locker, it's also, as I lift it here, a ladder, so you can actually have bow access. So when you're going to those sandbars or those beaches and you guys don't want to back up, you can actually drive up, drop the anchor or the ladder down, I should say. You guys can get on and off the boat from the bow section. Now, as we move back to the stern of the boat, we're going to start talking about the power plant. I know I sound like a broken record. We're going over and over. This is a twin engine boat. As we flip these two hatches and lift this up, this boat is power planted with the twin 1900cc 4-cylinder engines. This boat will push you guys at any fun speed you guys want to go on, and it'll pull a tube or a skier just fine. And again, guys, this is the 2025 Yamaha SX250. Now, this isn't the only boat that we have. We have a lot of other jet boats ready to go for you guys. We are still in the start of the season, so please come on in. We have a lot of deals going on, especially with those 2025 models, trying to roll those out. I'm JT with RIVA Motorsports, bringing the keys. I'll see you guys then.